Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to go over some organization hacks for your TOK journal in Google Docs. When I first shared this journal template with my students, I assumed that they already had the knowledge to be able to do things like add bookmarks and update the table of contents, maybe use smart chips. But then I realized yes, my students are really good at TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat, but they're probably not going to be using Google Docs all the time. So this video is for you, my TOK students, and hopefully it will help you stay organized. So let's take a look at the TOK journal template. Step one is to open your copy of the template in Google Classroom, or you can make a copy using the link in the description box below. Now, let's go over some features of this journal template. You will see that it starts with your name, so add the name of the owner, add the name of your teacher. I've included links to the 35 exhibition prompts that you'll probably refer to throughout year one of your TOK journal, year one of your TOK journey. And then later on, once the prescribed titles come out, you can add a link to those as well. Then we have a table of contents. Then there are the TOK concepts. These are the core concepts that TOK wants you to refer to continuously because it is a course primarily about knowledge and things like evidence, certainty, objectivity. How do these concepts interact with knowledge? How do they affect what we know and how we know? As long as you're referring constantly to these concepts, it can be said that you are doing TOK thinking. Next is the NICE format. So at our school, we use this format for journal entries, and NICE stands for Notice, Infer, Connect, and Explore. Then I've included a mock journal rubric. This is based loosely on the exhibition and the essay, and this is mostly a tool for your teachers, or it could be a tool for self-assessment to see where you fall in each of your journal entries. So it's evaluating you on your use of TOK terminology, your discussion of knowledge, your evaluation of different perspectives and paradigms, and then your use of the knowledge framework and evidence. Then finally, the last bit of the template is your journal entries. Okay, so this is the area that you want to personalize. When you are personalizing each entry, go in and you can adjust the date. Okay, so if I hover over this date chip, I can then select today's date. Replace the title with a new title. So in this case, let's just call this "Why Do We Seek Knowledge?" ? And then replace this filler text with your own ideas. Blah, 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 bitty, blah. Okay, done. Once you are finished adding a new entry, you can scroll back up to the table of contents, and then if you click into this box, you'll see that this symbol shows up. Okay, it says Update Table of Contents. You click this refresh symbol, and automatically your new journal entry title and date updates as well. And then what I would suggest is to always keep one copy of this template so that you can automatically update. So then I would also suggest just making copies of this template for every new entry that you add. But let's say you delete it by accident. What can you do? You can type the @ symbol to pull up the smart chips. The one that we're using right now is date. You can explore the other ones on your own. Update the date. Okay, so again, I'm going to select today's date. And then in the next line, you're going to go over here to the top menu where it says Styles, and you're going to update the heading to heading 1. So these are pre-built formats in this journal. So we're going to use heading 1, number your new entry, add a title. Okay, and then when you press enter, you can see that the text automatically changes formatting to the body text. And so when I go up and refresh my table of contents again, you will see that that automatically updates. Okay. So the last hack that I'm going to give you to organize your TOK template is to add tags. So why would you add tags to your TOK journal? Because when you are writing your TOK essay, you're going to be asked to mine for examples or mine for specific real life situations that you can then use in your writing. And if you have a way to systematically organize each of your entries, it will make the search much easier. So here's how I recommend adding these tags. I would include tags for each of the areas of knowledge. It's art, mathematics, history, natural sciences, and human sciences. Then I would add tags for each of the elements of the TOK knowledge framework. So that's scope, perspectives, methods and tools, and ethics. Then I would add tags for each of the optional themes, which include politics, religion, indigenous societies, technology, and language. And finally, I would add tags for the exhibition or the essay, because those are the major assessments of the course. So I hope you found this video helpful. By now you have learned some simple hacks to organize your TOK journals on Google Docs. Please give this video a thumbs up and go get organized.